Are you interested in learning Persian language and finally becoming fluent in this language? If yes, welcome to my channel. سلام دوستان، به کانال من خوش آمدید. Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. My name is Majid, a Persian language teacher, and I'm here to help you learn this language. Well, you might ask, how is my course or how are my videos different from all courses and videos and lessons in the market? Well, I'm going to explain it by going through a few points for you. So, number one, starting from zero. In my channel and in my website, I will start my lessons from a very basic level. In other words, from zero. It means that even if you do not know a word in Persian, and if you're just interested in learning this language, this is the right place for you. You might say that you have already studied a little Persian. Do not worry about it. My lessons will start from zero, from a basic level, but we will go on to further levels in the future. Number two, spoken Persian. I don't know if you already know it or not. In Persian, the formal version is very different from what is spoken in real life. If you go to other courses, I've already taken a look on other websites and channels. Almost all of them try to teach you this formal Persian because it's easier in teaching, but I'm going the other way. You are going to learn how Persian is spoken among people, because if you learn the formal version, yes, it's good, we will do it also someday in the future because you will need it for books, for readings, for news, but in real life, in everyday conversation, it won't help you. At least you cannot understand what people say. You can speak formally, the people will understand you, but you cannot understand what they say. So my focus on my channel and website will be on a spoken version of Persian. So let's just take a look at this example. You see, if you're gonna ask how are you in formal Persian, you must say حالت خوب است. But in real life, people never say حالت خوب است. They say خوبی، حالت خوبه. So this is the importance of learning Persian as it is used in everyday real life conversation. Number three, no alphabet required. You do not need at the beginning to learn Persian alphabet, because I've already heard from my students it's very difficult from English, from German, from French, this Latin alphabet. I do understand that. So for the beginning, we do not need to focus on this difficult process as my students have described it. We do not need to focus on that. We immediately start learning how to get into conversation in Persian. For doing that, we're going to write everything with English alphabets. You will see that in my lessons. Number four, interactive learning. I have a good news for you. This is not going to be a one-way teaching course for you. No. Whatever problem and questions you have, you can always leave a comment below my video on YouTube or on Facebook, and I will try my best to answer all your questions, to answer all comments, so that you can learn from videos, you can practice at home, and if you have any questions, you can ask me. In this way, I think we will have a better learning process for you. So this is going to be my schedule for my website and for my channel on YouTube. I'm going to publish 2 videos, 2 lessons per week. It might be 3 sometimes, but I cannot guarantee it. But 2 lessons you will have always on my channel per week. The lessons and the vocabularies are going to be topic based. For example, for the first video, we're going to talk about greetings in Persian, and then after that, we're going to talk about family, and then job, and then friends, and then colors, and so on and so forth. After my video is published, you can find whatever I teach, the materials, the stuffs, and sometimes some exercises on my website. So you can see the video and you can find the written format or the lessons on my website. So please visit my websites after my lessons. My lessons, websites, exercises, and everything are free and will remain free forever. Thank you for watching. So if you're ready to learn Persian today, subscribe to my channel, visit my website and my Facebook page, and we're going to learn Persian very soon.